Python functions can return more than one value. This is done by putting a comma between each expression after the return statement. This example based on one in the book shows a function named sumDiff that takes two parameters and returns two values. When you call the function, you assign as many values to the function as it returns. If we run this program, it works as we expect and outputs both the sum and the difference of the entered values. There is an option for assigning only one variable when a function returns more than one value. You get a tuple containing each value the function returned. A tuple is similar to a list, except it's immutable. We'll discuss tuples more in a later video. We can call this example and assign one value, and then results bracket 0 contains the sum, and results bracket 1 contains the difference. The Happy Birthday program we wrote earlier has functions that output to the console. It's more common to have function return values, so the functions are more flexible. Here's a version similar to one in the book that returns strings. Note the use of the repetition operator in the verse_for function to get two copies of the Happy Birthday to You line, and then string concatenation to make one long string containing the full song. Also note the use of the \n to get new lines where we want them. This version is more flexible because we can call it an output to the console, or we can call it an output to a file. Since the function returns the string containing the lyrics, the caller of the function can decide what to do with the resulting string, rather than it being forced to write the output to the console as the original version did. If we had a graphics program, we could display the lyrics in a text object. When we run it, the first return value is output to the console, and the second time we call it is written to a file. We can see that the file is created with the lyrics in it.